What's up, guys? So today is kind of an exciting day. I'm getting kybella again. I know like a lot of offices right now have restrictions on like how many people can be in a room, and the last time I got kybella, my mom filmed for me, but I highly doubt she's gonna be allowed to be there. I'm really nervous because kybella hurts. I don't know why some people say it doesn't, because it's probably the most painful thing I've ever experienced in my entire life. I got this done twice. The first time it was like so painful. The second time I was on my period and it was the worst pain I've ever felt. When I get nervous for things, I physically get sick and my stomach has been hurting. I'm just trying to keep myself busy until my appointment. Hopefully this is my last treatment. I've had two treatments and one vial each time, but today I'm getting 2 vials. Hopefully this is all I need. I was told the first time I only need 4 treatments. I have a hereditary double chin, so this isn't something that I can get rid of with diet and exercise, but I do tend to carry my weight on my face. I have like really chubby cheeks and I've always had a double chin. I'm gonna show you guys a before of how I look. All of this needs to go. I'm back. I love this place so much. I went to Trifecta Med Spa and I was injected by Yulia, I think. The place is seriously amazing. They take their time. It's clean. Here's how I'm looking right now. I always get super red. So she basically said like after this treatment, like I'm done. I don't need any more kybella. And if I want like, I guess my sides to be a little bit like tighter, I need skin tightening. But she said like I barely have any fat to like need anymore. Yeah, I'm super happy. It wasn't that painful. I think last time it was just so bad because I was on my period, and honestly it felt like the worst pain ever, but today it felt bearable. In 4 weeks I'll be able to kind of see my results, but I think it takes up to 6 weeks to basically see like how everything went. But yeah, if you guys have any questions for me, definitely let me know. I'll do like a, I don't know, maybe I'll make like a separate video just dedicated to like kybella and stuff. I don't know. Definitely still swollen, but I'm not as swollen as I was before. Let me show you guys like my side profile. So this is how I'm looking, melanized style. You can definitely see like the swelling. And I'm also like pretty bruised up, as you can see. If you guys want, you can leave me questions about kybella and I'll make like a full video about it, because this is my, I guess, 3rd and last treatment. Hopefully. She said it would be my last treatment, but I mean, I guess you never know until like you actually like see the results after like 4 to 6 weeks. I am now at, I guess, day 6 of kybella. I'm still not bruised, but I'm still red. This is how I'm looking. I'm still very swollen, but the swelling went down a lot, so I'm pretty happy about that. My sister did them for me. God bless her soul, because I have a big head. I think it looks really cute. I haven't did the mousse stuff yet. I actually didn't do mousse the last time I did my braids, so this is good. I already wet it, so do I have to put a...
I don't know what the purpose is.
All right, I'm just gonna put it down here. Do you think that's fine? Yeah. Okay, whatever. Do you spray it directly on, or?
I literally put it everywhere.
I feel like I can't see. I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit. Ooh, double closets, soon to be mine. Why isn't it coming out?
Because you're not holding it upside down.
Is that too much? Whatever.
One side, yes.
Okay. I always felt like putting mousse in your hair made it, oh, I forgot about this whole back section. Maybe if I just put it together, we'll get some. But anyway, I feel cute again. I feel my best when I'm blonde for some reason. I have no idea why. I haven't done my edges yet, so I'm not like 100% cute, but I'm still cute. I'm gonna have to re-dip them in hot water, because after I dipped them in hot water, I bent them. And I hate that. That little bend is annoying me. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. If you want to see more, definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!